Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja.
Friends, in this video, I would like to explain you how to create numbering list in WhatsApp. Friends, WhatsApp has recently updated with many features. So one of the best feature is creating number list. So friends, if you are sending any message with like some data like grocery items or any important points, if you are writing in WhatsApp Messenger, so usually we need to add the number before each point, right? So from now we no need to write manually. So WhatsApp will add the numbers for us. So watch this video till the end, and if you are having any doubts related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to share this video with your friends as well as other visually impaired community groups. Friends, I would like to give a small update here that is related to our upcoming accessibility testing course. Will start from May 26th. Okay, the course duration is 30 days and the course fees is 1250 rupees. And this course is available in Telugu and English. For English users, the class timings from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day. So if you are interested to register in this course, please click on the registration form link I'm providing in the comment section. Friends, if you not subscribe our channel as of now and if you're watching this video, just pause this video and click the subscribe button and right swipe select all option from the option menu. Then only if I make any new video, that video will jump into your notifications. Friends, I'm opening WhatsApp message now.
Recent app. Arizona screen more. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Showing items 35 to register. HTTPS support underscore 17 message. Edit box.
So I'm in the message box.
Showing English. One. Full stop. Space.
So friends, now I'm writing a few lines here with simple words. Okay, I'm not taking much time. Simply I will write apple.
Capital W. Whiskey. Capital A. Capital P. 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 L. L. E. E.
Okay, enter.
Enter. Apple. Capital B. Capital A. A. L. L. L deleted.
Oh, sorry.
K. Q. L. L. L.
Ball.
Enter. All. Capital C. Capital A. A. R. T. T.
Cat.
Enter. Cat. Capital D. Capital K. Q. O. O. G. G. Enter. Dog. Capital E. Capital H. H. F. Foxtrot. G. G. H. Delete. H. G. G.
Egg. Okay, now see.
Editing. 1. Apple. 2. Ball. 3. Cat. 4. Dog. 5. Egg. Edit box.
So how it came? Like just I have written apple, ball, cat, dog, egg. So but how this numbering came? Okay, I will show you now. Okay,
Delete.
I'm deleting this everything.
Full voice message button.
Okay, so before writing our first word or first line, we need to write one.
Capital W. 2. Open feature. 1. Send. Button.
Full stop.
Full stop. 1.
Space.
Space. Space.
So now we need to write our first point.
Capital A. Alpha. Capital E. Capital R. Capital R. E. E. D. D.
I just written red color. Okay, I'm pressing enter.
Enter. Red.
So now automatically the number came for second point. Let's see.
Settings. Set editing. 1. Red. 2. Edit box.
Now
Window
second
WhatsApp.
point blue.
Capital B. Capital L. L. J. Julie U. U. E. E.
I'm pressing enter.
Enter. Blue. Editing. 1. Red. 2. Blue. 3. Edit box.
So
Window
like
WhatsApp.
this way the numbers will automatically updated once you write one full stop space before our first point. So this is all about our video, friends. If you really like my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe this video, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.
Send. Button. Out of list.